Okay, so let's we start to solve the paper from the physics things first. Okay. Yeah, I
Okay.
already select some of the questions start from the physics,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, this is the first one, number 3. I think
Okay.
this is very easy. Do you want to answer maybe? Which of the following force keeps the planets in their orbit in the solar system?
Gravity.
Yeah, gravity. Yeah.
Yeah.
There is no magnetic object in our outer space. There is no also friction because uh, outer space is empty in vacuum condition. There is no air. There is no water. Of course, there is no friction and pressure. Yeah, in outer space, no air, so no pressure also. So the answer is
Mm,
gravity. Okay, I think it's clear. Yeah. Okay,
yeah.
this is just for the theory. So as we know, yeah, this is the force that pull object towards each other, okay, or the object that produce when two mass close to each other. Okay, and then why the planet can attract by the sun because the massive mass from the sun it produces the massive gravity.
Okay.
Okay, okay, so that's why I keep them stable and keep flying into the space. Okay, good. Now, next number 6. I think this is also easy. You know the answer, maybe?
Mm, reversible is it the chocolate make melting?
Yeah, chocolate melting. We have two types of chains. The first one is physicals,
Mm-hmm.
okay, physicals, and the second one is chemical. Nah,
Okay.
physical chains that's reversible. Okay, only physical chains that reversible chains. Chemical no. Although in the chemistry we have actually later in the senior high school you will have the chemical reactions which can be reversed, but just for now just keep physical chains reversible, chemical not reversible. Okay,
Okay.
and simply the main example for physical chains or reversible chains is the phase chains. Okay, so
Okay.
every process that involving changing of phase like melting, freezing, evaporating, and so on, okay, or the
Mm-hmm.
transformation between solid, liquid, and gas, they are reversible. They are physical change. Nah, so here's the keywords: the melting. Yeah, so
Okay.
this is phase changing from from solid to liquid. So that we can freezing from liquid to solid. Yeah, this is reversible. Okay. Um, okay, uh, some most of the all the chemical reaction we call chemical change. Combustion, that's also chemical change. Cooking process, that's also chemical change. Yeah, this is basically the reaction.
Okay.
Yeah, reaction. Oh yeah, rusting also. Combustion, rusting, and cooking. Yeah, good. Any question?
No questions.
Nah, this is about electricity. I think this topic for the last semester. But do you remember how to use the voltmeter? Voltmeter. Which of the circuit is correctly set up to measure the voltage across the cell? Okay, the cell or the battery. Yeah, the
Okay.
cell. Now here's the cell or the battery. Now we want to measure the voltage, okay, or the potential difference.
Okay.
Potential difference. Now the instrument to measure the voltage is voltmeter, and the symbol is V. This is the symbol for voltmeter, and uh, the object that we want to measure the voltage across it, we need to put the voltmeter parallel to that object.
Okay.
Okay, should be parallel. Ah, Let's see the option A, for example. This is the cell, but again, we want to measure this voltage, so we cannot put it in serial. So this is serial or side by side. Serial, ya side by side, apa ya, bersambung gitu ya. So we cannot put a voltmeter like this because this is serial. Nah, so the correct answer is B. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the cell. So we make another line that parallel to the cell. That's how to use voltmeter. Okay. Um, how about number C? Yeah, this is also serial. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we cannot use voltmeter like this. For D, nah, it's not correct. This is no, this is the correct way to use the voltmeter because this is parallel, but
Okay.
but it's not parallel to the cell. This is parallel to the bulb. Yeah.
Okay.
So when we use the voltmeter like this, you will get the voltage across this bulb. Okay. Yeah, because this is parallel to the bulb, not to the cell. Okay.
Okay.
Any question?
No questions.
Okay. Voltmeter parallel. How about ammeter or ampere meter? Ammeter, ampere meter. Yeah, we put this thing serial. Yeah. Okay. Next. Number, I think better number 6, 11.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Please read it mentally first. I think the first one,
The first one is it the second one. The Earth casts a circular shadow on the moon.
yeah, you're correct. Tada. We know the Earth is spherical because the Earth casts a circular shadow, yeah, on the moon during a lunar eclipse. Yeah, yeah. Although this is also, no, this maybe this just
Yeah.
outside this topic. Yeah, maybe this lesson also one one proof for the flat earther. Yeah, yeah just okay. Second
Okay.
one, the moon is not a planet because. mm, okay, how do you think? The moon is not a planet. Yeah, this is A. The moon orbit the Earth once a month. Yeah. Um, the new moon always appears once month. New moon and then also full moon also every month because that's the revolution of moon to our Earth. But for the third one, yeah, this is not the reason. Yeah, because we have a planet that's smaller than Earth, like Mercury and Venus, but they are still planet. So
Yeah.
the mass not the reason for this. Okay, there is a day and night on Earth because I think that's very easy. This is the effect of Earth rotation.
Yeah. Adaptation. Adaptation.
Yeah. Okay. The fourth one is less on the moon than on Earth. Nah, here is the reason. Okay. Um, heavier the object, the bigger gravity will be produced. Yeah. Okay. Gravity is measured in newtons. Yeah, the statement is correct, but not for the statements here. Okay, that's for 11A. I think that's clear. What happened to the reading? Explain what would have happened to the reading on the balance. Okay, so this is the reaction between metals. Basically, the reactive metals. Yeah, reactive metal by the acid. Okay, mostly the strong acid. By the strong acid. Okay, um, the product will always become the salt. Nah, plus hydrogen gas.
Okay.
Hydrogen gas. Okay. So, okay, as usual, how to know the metal is reactive or not? Okay, it depends on its location in the periodic table. Okay, the
Yeah.
more left the position, more reactive, more reactive. Nah, magnesium is on the second group. Okay, so second from the left. That's why magnesium
Okay.
one of the reactive metal. But although it's not the most reactive metal, yeah. Okay, so how the reaction now? Mg. Okay, this is the magnesium metal plus hydrochloric acid, HCl. Nah, so the reaction, the metal will be used to displace the hydrogen
Okay.
atom. That's why now it become this is quite difficult thing. This is MgCl2. Okay, how can this is two? Maybe you can skip for now, and then this
Okay.
produce hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is always H2. Okay, this is H2. Mm, actually, because why here is two? Because the magnesium is on the second group, so so yeah, the pattern will always there is number two here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
nah, here's the reason why there is something changed on the balance. Okay, because the gas, yeah, the result of this reaction will produce a gas. So the mass of the object inside this flash will be lower. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, because the hydrogen gas goes outside of the reaction. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Explain what would happen to the reading on the balance. uh, Dia bakal reduce ya, gitu. Nanti dia bakal bakal berkurang.
Okay.
Okay, let's be see question. Nah, hmm, not 12B. Name the salt form in this reaction. Actually, we don't need to know this symbol at first, but because this is metal, will combine with chloride, so the
Mhm.
name is magnesium chloride.
Okay.
Magnesium chloride. Oh yeah, Cl atom is chlorine. Yeah, chlorine. Oh no no, Cl atom is chlor. Okay,
Mhm.
Cl2. This is gas. This is chlorine. Chlorine ya. Okay,
Okay.
chlorine. Nah, if chlor in the substance, so it will become ion. The name of the ion is chloride.
Okay.
Chloride. Now because the Cl is inside the substance, is inside this salt substance, that's why the name is magnesium chloride, not magnesium chlor. Not also
Okay.
chlorine, because chlorine for chlorine gas. Okay. State one change that could be made to increase the rate of the reaction. Um, there are at least there are two main factors to increase the rate of the reaction. Okay, the first one, by increasing the reactants. Okay, of course, if you have or if you give so the reactants more here, the more product will also will get. Okay, so by increasing the reactant, the amount of the reactants, so the reaction will be faster. Increasing the reactants in this case is by increasing the amount of magnesium strip or the HCl. Yeah, or increasing the amount of HCl.
Okay.
Okay, that's the first one.
Okay.
Okay, then the second one is mostly the reaction will faster if we increase the the temperature mostly, yeah. But there is
Okay.
just a little reaction that will be slower in the hotter temperature. So increase the temperature
Okay.
and increasing the temperature. Okay. Yeah, two main factors that affects rate of reaction: amount of reactants and the temperature. Question? Yeah. Okay, get it?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Now number 13. I will go back to physics again. Wait. Okay. People wear and people wear sensors to help them walk across soft sand. Okay. Across soft sand. I just know it. There is the sensors. Okay. Explain how wearing sensors makes it easier to walk on soft sand. What is the difference between shoes and sensors? This part. Nah, okay. So I think for this, I think still similar to regular shoes, but for this, it makes the area wider. Okay, so increase the area, basic, specifically the contact area between the shoes to the sand. Okay, to the soft sand. Nah, if we give so much pressure on the soft sand, so of course we will tenggelam ya. Kita bakal
Yeah.
tenggelam ke dalam pasir ya. So that we need to reduce the pressure, and remember the formula of pressure, F over A. Okay, F over A. Um, one of the force is gravity or our body weight. So let's say this is Fg, the body weight over A. Okay, that's why the heavier people will give much pressure rather than skinny people like that. Maybe, or maybe between the elderly and the child. Okay, so
Okay.
but by looking this formula, we also know that P is inversely proportional
Okay.
to the area. So by making the contact area wider or larger, so we can reduce the pressure.
Okay.
Okay, so explain how wearing shoes make it easier to walk on sand, because the pressure is lowered by biggering the contact area. Okay, any question?
No physics.
Okay, now for B, this is the calculation about this. Nah, oh, nah. Okay, so the name um, of the person is Fatima, and his weight is 400 Newton. Okay, again, weight is a force, 400 Newton. Okay, yeah. She puts on a pair of sensors that have total surface area. Nah, this is F, and the area total ya. Kan sepatu itu ada dua. Ya, jadi totalnya ini. This is the area. Okay, and then the question is calculate the total pressure exerted by the pair of sensors when she is standing still. Okay. Again, every time you write the answer for calculation. So in the beginning, always rewrite the formula. Okay. So P equals F over E. Okay. After that, change the every variable by the number by the non variable the non number. So here is 400. over 0.2. Okay, if you don't want to use calculator, this is decimal, right? So I don't like to
Yeah.
calculate in decimal form. So better I want to move this decimal to the right by times it by 10, because the denominator times by 10 to make this equivalent times also 10 for the numerator. Nah, so now I have 4,000 divided by 2. Okay,
Mm,
so now the pressure is 2,000 Newton per meter square. Okay. Anyway, Newton per meter square is also same with Pascal unit. Okay. Nah, you can write Newton over m square or PA or Pascal.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Any question?
No questions.
Okay. That's number 13. Oh, number 14. Back to chemistry. Okay, I think you know what is the answer for number 14.
I think it's C.
Yeah. So P is element because only consists of one type of atom. So
Yeah.
group of identical atoms is element, and then compound is group of molecules. Group of molecules. Okay. Nah, this is molecules uh, consists of two or more than different atoms. Nah, and this is mixture. Alright. Yeah. Okay, mixtures are the group of different molecules.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. When dilute sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Yeah. Yeah. This is inside the carbonate mostly. Carbonate, liquid liquid carbonate. Yeah. Liquid carbonate, and this is strong acid. This is strong acid. Okay. Strong. Nah, so the strong acid is added to zinc metal. Again, zinc metal also reactive metal. This is reactive metal. The products of the reaction are, um, remember again the concept. So every reactive metal react by the strong acid will produce salt and hydrogen. So so we need to choose which one consists of hydrogen here. Oh, all of them is hydrogen, yeah. So So the answer is here, zinc sulfate. Okay,
Okay.
because the acid is composed of sulfate, sulfate ion. So the zinc will be combined with sulfate. That's why we will have zinc sulfate. Yeah, there is no water here for the reaction. If we read, if we write the chemical reaction, uh, it will become Zn plus H2S4. Okay, become ZnSO4 plus H2. Yeah, this already balanced. Again,
Okay.
the Zn will displace the hydrogen atoms
Mhm.
in the strong acid, in the acid. That's why Zn now combined with SO4.
Right, teacher, but I still don't understand. Like, my physics teacher, like, really often gave me questions about balancing equations, and I still don't understand how it works.
Okay, let's we start from this one. Uh, let's we imagine how to produce a water. Yeah? So the water is H2O. Uh, so basically the reaction of water, it comes from the hydrogen gas in our atmosphere plus by the oxygen. Okay. Now 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 the first question. Is it balanced? How do you think?
Yes. Yeah, I think it's balanced.
Mm, okay. How many hydrogen atoms you have on the left?
On
How
the left,
many hydrogen atoms?
2.
Okay. You have 2 hydrogen atom. How about on the right?
Also, wait, 1.
The hydrogen 2 atoms. It's 2. So 2 atoms,
Right.
two
Oh,
hydrogen.
okay.
How
Teacher,
about the oxygen? Yeah.
just a question. What's the difference between, for example, H2 and 2H?
It's 2 and
2H.
it's 2 and 2. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Um, this is the names of substance. Okay. So
Mhm.
this substance consists of 2 hydrogen atom. Okay. Now, if there is uh, 2H2, for example, here, it means it shows you about the number of molecules. The number of molecules. Number of molecules. Ah, so this is one molecule. So if 2H2, it means 2 molecules of hydrogen gas. Get it? Or maybe here. Um, let's say I have H2O. Yeah, H2O means one molecule. This is the name of the substance, yeah, and its molecule consists of 2 hydrogen and one oxygen. Nah, if I put 3 here, it shows you
Mhm.
the number of this molecule. So now I have 3 molecules of H2O. Nah, one, one, two, three. See the difference? Okay. Or maybe we can try again by balancing this. Maybe after this you understand. It's 2 plus O2. This is H2O. Before you already correct that hydrogen on the left there are 2, on the right is 2, but the oxygen is different. On the left 2, but on the right only 1. Nah, so
Okay.
this is not balanced. Okay, so for H2, maybe the structure is like this, and then the O2, okay, like this one. Nah, H2O is this. Nah, see. So there is one of the oxygen atoms that is not involved in this reaction or just disappear. Okay, one,
Okay.
two. Now this is they just disappear in this reaction. So um, because this is 2 and this is 1, so how if I make this reaction, I divide this by half. Okay, I divide
Okay.
this by half. But of course, in chemical reaction, uh, no, try not to use the fraction. So how to make this balance now? I times all of them by 2. So this become 2H2 O2. Yeah, this is 2H2O. Okay. Uh, this number is called coefficient. Coefficient. Okay. But this is called index. Okay. Now,
Okay.
now let's see what means by this reaction. So you have 2 molecule of H2. Okay. So 2 molecule of H2 will be react with 1 molecule of O2. Okay. And this
Okay.
will produce 2 molecule of H2O. Now, now this is okay. Now it's balanced.
Mhm.
You have two oxygen. You have 4 hydrogen on the left, and also on the right. Okay. Now, do you see the difference between 2 here and between the index and the coefficient? H2 plus F2 react into HF. Okay, could you simplify this? Sorry, could you balance this equation?
Okay.
So for balancing the equation, we cannot change the index number. We only need to we only allowed to change the coefficient.
Okay. Is it 2HF?
Yeah. So we only need to put 2 here. It's 2
Okay.
plus F2. Yeah. So this is balance. Okay. So get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. Maybe after this we have another question about balancing equation. Wait. Oh, oh no. Okay then. Yeah, we move to number 16. Yeah. I think this is easy.
Only bulb 4 goes up.
Okay, if bulb 1 and 3 break, what happened to bulb 2 and 4? Yeah, only bulb 4 goes out. Okay, this is parallel circuit. Now this is series or serial. That's the difference between parallel and series. Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
maybe for parallel, one breaks, the other line can run the electricity. Okay, good. Okay, number 17 also easy, I think, because we also learn about this in mathematics. Yeah.
Is it B?
Okay, B. Yeah, constant speed. Okay, so this is the graph of speed over time. So this shows you that the speed is same, on the same level, yeah, over the time. So this is constant speed. Okay, this is accelerating. Yeah, accelerating, and this part is decelerating. Yeah, so there are two types of motion for option A, but for option C, constantly accelerating, and this is constantly decelerating. Okay, good. Okay, next, go to chemistry, number 21. Which element is in the same group as carbon? Okay, um, this is also easy file. So this look again to your periodic table. This is group 8A. This is 7A. Okay, this is 6A. This is 5A. This is 4A. This is this is group. Anyway, this is group 3A actually. But if you look to the periodic table again, there's a separation between 3 and 4A. Yeah. Okay. Uh, some of the group has this special name, and it's determined by the first
Okay.
by the first atom of that group. Let's say group 4A. Yeah. The first atom is carbon, so this is called carbon group. Yeah, I think just by know that we can we can answer this. So the answer is germanium, because germanium, silicon, then yeah, in the group 4A. Nah,
Okay.
this is carbon group. Nah, what is 8A? This is noble gas group.
Okay.
Noble
Noble
gas
gas.
group. Yeah. Why we call it noble? Because it cannot be reacted. This is very stable. So every element in the group 8 is very stable. Cannot be breakdown. Cannot be combined with another atoms. I think we can combine to another atoms, um, but need more energy. Okay. Now for the seven group, this is halogen gas, halogen halogen gas, halogen gas group. Okay. So for oxygen, yeah, this is oxygen group. Yeah, oxygen group. This is nitrogen group. Yeah. Um, dua ini yang spesial ya, halogen and noble gas. But also there's special name for group 1A. 1A is alkaline. Okay. 2A is earth alkaline group. Okay. Okay, get it? Yeah, remember the name of this grouping. Okay, so let's recheck again the question. Ini nanggung. Coba 2 soal lagi aja. Yang ini. Okay. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? This is carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay. There is no chemical formula like this. Okay. There is also no compound C2O. There's no that compound. Nah, but for this is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Now, the 2 here is the coefficient. Yeah? It shows that the carbon monoxide there are 2 molecules of carbon monoxide. Okay. Okay, number 24. How long does it take for the Earth to orbit the Sun? Yeah. Do you know the answer maybe for 24?
24. It's 1 day.
Be careful.
Wait. No.
Orbit the Sun.
Wait. 1 year. Sorry.
Yeah, 1 year. This is for the rotation. Okay. I think that's all for today. Only 4 until 5 question. Oh no, yeah. I think we can. I will share you the explanation for the other question. But we can continue also on the next meeting. Okay. There is a deadline for this paper anyway file?
No questions.
Okay. What is the due for this paper next week?
I think there's no due. As long
Okay.
as they do it.
Just for learning, yeah. Okay then.
Yes.
Yeah, we will continue this on the next meeting. I think this is also a good paper to be to grab. Okay then, Val.
Okay.
Again, thank you so much. Happy
Thank you, teacher.
yeah.
Yes. Thank you, teacher.
Bye bye.